You're about to destroy your belly fat. For good. Not with hours of boring cardio, not with starvation diets or miracle supplements. Just 5 powerful exercises, backed by real science, proven to burn fat, boost hormones, and build lean muscle that actually lasts. Studies show these movements could ignite your metabolism for up to 48 hours after each workout, meaning your body keeps burning fat long after you've stopped training. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just raw, functional movement that delivers real results. So grab a kettlebell, clear some space, and get ready to push yourself. Because today, we're not just burning calories, we're building a body that never quits. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Kettlebell swings. This one burns up to 20 calories per minute. That's the same as running a 6-minute mile, except you're not pounding your knees into the pavement. A study from the University of North Texas found that short kettlebell intervals boost growth hormone and testosterone, your body's natural fat-burning engines. And even when you stop, your body keeps burning, thanks to afterburn, or EPOC. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, kettlebell 12 inches in front. Hinge at your hips, not a squat. Swing the bell back between your legs, then snap your hips forward and squeeze your glutes. Let it float to chest height, arms relaxed. Start light, 26 to 35 pounds, and focus on clean, explosive form. Exercise 2. Jump rope. The next one? Cheap, simple, and insanely effective. Jump rope. 10 minutes of jump rope equals 30 minutes of jogging, proven by research from the European Journal of Applied Physiology. It builds coordination, endurance, and even boosts your mitochondria, the powerhouses that help your body burn fat all day. How to do it? Jump low, just an inch or two off the ground. Stay on the balls of your feet. Spin from your wrists, not your shoulders. Try 30 seconds on, 10 seconds rest for 3 to 5 rounds. Work up to 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest for 8 to 10 rounds. All you need is a $10 rope and a little space. Exercise 3. Deadlifts. Most people avoid these, but done right, deadlifts are unmatched for full body fat burn and strength. They activate more muscle at once than almost any other exercise, building lean mass and cranking up metabolism long after you're done. How to do it? Feet hip width, bar over midfoot. Hinge hips back, slight knee bend. Brace your core, lift by driving through your heels. At the top, squeeze your glutes, don't lean back. Start light, 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps once or twice a week. Master the form and your results will skyrocket. Exercise 4. Sprints. Humans were built to sprint. It's pure fat-burning power. A review of 75 studies found sprint intervals cut fat 40% faster than HIIT, and nearly twice as fast as steady cardio. Warm up first, jog, leg swings, dynamic stretches. How to do it? Sprint 15 seconds at 80% effort, walk 60 seconds, do 5 to 6 rounds. Work up to 20 to 30 seconds at near max effort for 6 to 8 rounds. It's short, explosive, and brutally effective. And finally, no equipment, no excuses. Burpees. They hit everything. Legs, chest, core, lungs, while keeping muscle mass high during fat loss. Studies show burpees preserve over 95% of muscle while burning serious calories. How to do it? 20 seconds work, 10 seconds rest for 8 rounds. Or 30 seconds on, 15 seconds rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep your form clean, chest to floor, strong jump at the top. And there you have it. 5 simple, powerful movements that can completely reshape your body, melt stubborn fat, and build strength that actually lasts. No fancy machines, no gym memberships, no magic pills. Just your body, your effort, and your commitment, day after day. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Showing up, putting in the work, and letting consistency do what motivation can't. Start today. Stay consistent. Because the only workout that doesn't work is the one you don't do. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to transform their body, naturally and for life. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep moving forward. Your future self will thank you. I'll see you in the next one.